Okay.
Hello, we're Manchester Digital Eagles. I'm Cade, this is Isaac, and this is Jack, and we made an app called Live Listener. So what is it? It's an app designed for people who have hearing disabilities, hearing impairment, dementia, and Alzheimer's, and it transcribes conversations and saves them so they can be referred back to. The conversations can be saved. This is really difficult. Can be saved and used and reread later and be found by location, date, and time. Another thing it could do is transcribe TV shows because subtitles go too fast for people like my mother, who is hearing impaired. How is it made, to Isaac?
So,
wrong one.
yeah. So we made the app using Android Speech API and Google Maps we implemented. And it was challenging, but we've got a working prototype. We made it in Android Studio, and we use an SQL-like database as the backend where we store the responses.
So this is our GUI. So the first screen is the main screen that you get to as soon as you turn the app on. The icon in the bottom right, you click it and it starts transcribing, and toggle to turn it off again. So the second screen's during the actual live speaking, it'll start printing it out. It's separated by a pause, and the history screen's on the right, so it's sorted by date. That's the history screen when you click on it, so it takes you to the same screen as the live one, but the text. It's also on the map, so if you click the marker, it'll take you to the same screen as in the left-hand side, and you can search any keyword that's in one of your searches, in one of your transcribes. And this is the navigation. It's a simple material design for Android.
We thought, at the beginning, we came up with a load of features that we could include. These are a few that we didn't manage to make. We wanted to make a TV show subtitle database, so TV shows could be easily accessed instead of it being made in real time. Video recording transcription, being able to record with the app and then recording and transcribing all the words used in that video is easier for people. General code and UI improvements, and eventual smartwatch support, which the text can be viewed on a smartwatch easily. I think we're going to have a live demo now.
Could we please switch to the projector?
There we go. You might need to turn up the brightness.
Yeah. So this is just our app. So if I turn listening on, hello, this is a demo conversation. This works just like a speech recognizer. And then this gets saved in history in the latest string. And it gets plotted on a map like this. So you can then click this and it will provide all the ones which are recorded in Birmingham. And you can also search for keywords such as, and it will provide all the ones which contain the word test.
Any questions? We've finished.
Wow, that was great. Well done. Well done, chaps.
Actually, we should put it out. The app is on the Play Store. You can use it. It's an older version, but there is a development one that's the most recent update.
That was wonderfully under 5 minutes. You had a whole minute. You could have done a dance, you could have done a song,
We'd
comedy,
not get
improvisation.
Cut off. We'd rather not get cut off,
I
so
think
we decided...
I think that is a very, very good lesson for everyone else. You don't have to be exactly 5 minutes. Under is good. Right, judges, dignified judges. We need some...
I didn't realise I was holding my microphone when I laughed at dignified to that myself then.
Wonderful judges. You've got 2 minutes with questions and comments.
The first question I had for you, so the APIs and technologies you've used this week, did you have experience with them before, or is it something you've picked up for this project?
So I've used the Google Speech API on the Google Chrome platform before, but obviously that's written in JavaScript. So the Android Speech API and the Map API we've never had any experience with at all.
Have you thought about the legal aspect of this? So, for example, conversations, would the person using the app have to say at the start of every conversation, is it okay if I record this conversation?
Well, This app is designed for like use in personal environments, but if you were to use it to record like conversation with a business owner, then you would kind of ask for permission.
One of the key things is education, especially lessons. We heard that when education funding is cut, usually it's the people who do the sign language is usually cut, and we've heard that this could be really helpful.
Awesome use case. Who did what in the team?
Isaac did pretty much most of the coding. He's amazing to be able to make the real-time coding. Jack did most of the coding, worked on the UI. I worked on the UI and the ideas, so I wasn't that good.
That's cool. And what were the biggest challenges you faced this week?
So the Android speech API isn't really designed for this kind of thing. So we had to quite heavily modify stuff to get it to do exactly what we wanted it to do. And even then, we probably would have to move to a different voice platform altogether.
Okay, that's it. That's 2 minutes. Live listener, everyone. Thank you very much. Excellent, excellent.